We're talking about making one offer every day for the next 30 days. That way, you're actually putting into action the things that need to happen for you to get the results that you want to create. Now, when you are first making offers, you're going to be learning. It's a learning curve, and that's totally normal. It's expected. We can sit back afterwards and say, what did I do that I liked? What would I like to do better next time? And then the next day when you're making an offer, you can be remembering these things because these are real life experiences. That's how we learn. That's how it gets in our head. And then we can make better choices. We can say things a bit differently. We can be strategizing how we want to be making the offers themselves so that each time you're making some better choices and you're gaining momentum in the process. It's kind of like when you want to ask somebody out. If you were to say to yourself, all right, I'm single, I want to meet somebody and I want to have some fun, I want to go out on dates. So if you're thinking, all right, I'm going to ask out a different person every single day for the next 30 days. Hypothetical, I know, just for fun, just hear me out here. If you went to the first person and said, you don't want to go out with me, do you? Well, no, I don't, Mark. I don't want to go out with you. Okay, so what did I learn? I learned that maybe I should phrase that a little differently on day 2. So day 2, go up to somebody else. Hey, you want to go out with me? Well, maybe they do, maybe they don't. All right. Day 3, hey, would you like to go out with me on Friday night? All right, now that's something that they're starting to think about. Who knows? The next day, would you like to go out with me on Friday night for dinner? Ah, okay, well, maybe they do, maybe they don't. The next day, you want to go out with me on Friday night for dinner? I'll pick you up at 8. All right, that's somebody who's taking charge. All right, maybe they do say yes, maybe they say no. The next day, same thing, you're just adding, do you want to go out with me on Friday night for dinner? I'll pick you up at 8. We're going to go to this restaurant. The food is amazing. All right, that's a little different than day 1 where we said, hey, you don't want to go out with me, do you? All right, so we're making some progress. So if we added to all of that, hey, do you want to go out with me on Friday night? I'll pick you up at 8. I'm going to take you to this great restaurant. The food is amazing. The atmosphere is so much fun. Then we're going to go over to this other place. It is going to be the best time ever. Whatever you want to say. But you're getting somebody excited and they're thinking, well, yeah, that sounds like a great time. Because, we're just going out on a date. We're not trying to get married. We just want to meet somebody, get to know them, and if nothing else, we're making another friend. That's how I always looked at it anyway, and we can never have too many friends. But the point of this analogy is each time we talk to somebody, each day we ask somebody out, we improved on how we were doing it. But the point is, if you can be making one offer every day for the next 30 days, what is that going to do for your self-confidence, for your experience, for the fact that you know that you're just talking to people who need a solution and you know solutions and you're offering them solutions and they value you? How are you going to feel about your business going forward? And how might that affect your bottom line? Do you think after 30 days of offers each and every day, you might have somebody that says, I'm interested? Yes, let's move forward. Do you think you might have more than one? Well, it just depends. But if you adopted this and then started to make an offer every day for the next 30 days after that, and after that, all of a sudden, you've got incredible momentum. Chances are you found some people that say yes, and it's completely transformed not just your business, but potentially your life as well. And it all starts with accepting this simple little challenge, and that is to make one offer every day for the next 30 days. I hope this helps. I'll share more with you in the next video.